1. OpenClaw application hardening. Since OpenClaw acts as an agentic gateway, its internal settings are your first line of defense. Bind to Loopback Only. Ensure the gateway is not exposed to your local network or the internet. In your openclaw.json or environment variables, set gateway.bind 127.0.1. Never use 0.0.0. Enforce strict pairing mode. Set policy pairing. This prevents unauthorized users from messaging your bot. Any new user will have to provide a physical pairing code generated on your machine. Restrict Filesystem Scope. Do not let OpenClaw see your entire C users folder. Move your project files to a dedicated folder, e.g. C OpenClaw Workspace, and use the Filesystem allow list to restrict access strictly to that path. Use ClawSec. Install the ClawSec suite. It is a skill of skills designed specifically to detect prompt injection and unauthorized egress, data being sent to unknown IPs within OpenClaw. 2. Windows OS hardening, native. Because OpenClaw runs as a standard Windows process, you must use Windows native security features to sandbox it. User account isolation. Run as a standard user. Never run OpenClaw from an administrator account. Create a dedicated local user, e.g. OpenClaw user, with no administrative privileges. Permissions ACLs. Right-click your sensitive folders like your Python project or .env files. Properties, security. Explicitly deny the OpenClaw user access to any folder it doesn't strictly need. Windows Defender and Exploit Protection Attack Surface Reduction, ASR. Use PowerShell to enable rules that block Office applications or scripts from creating child processes, common vectors for AI agent exploits. Controlled folder access. Enable this in Windows Security. Add your critical project folders to the protected list. This prevents unauthorized apps, including a compromised OpenClaw instance, from modifying your files. Use the Harden Windows Security app. There is a highly regarded community tool by HotcakeX that automates Microsoft-recommended security baselines. Run the app. Download the Harden Windows Security app from the Microsoft Store or GitHub. Apply personal baseline. This will disable legacy protocols like SMB-v1, enable advanced Windows Defender features, and harden the network stack without breaking your Python development workflow. 3. Network and Identity Security Scoped API Keys. Since you are using OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropic keys for your video app, do not give OpenClaw the master keys. Create scoped keys with usage limits and restricted permissions. Windows Firewall Outbound. Create a custom rule in Windows Firewall to block all outbound traffic for the node.exe process running OpenClaw, except to known API endpoints, e.g. api.openai.com. DNS over HTTPS. Enable native DOH in Windows 11 settings, network and internet, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, DNS server assignment to prevent DNS hijacking, spoofing of your AI requests.